Hello guys, I don't know why I'm doing this video. I'm only doing it with my friend. Are you my friend? Okay, he is my friend. I don't know if there's actually any difference between my voice. I don't know.
I'll be right back.
I'm a bit older. But we're making a video with 4K Sun, aka SNF underscore crazy, right?
Yep.
Okay.
This one's not full yet.
His username is somewhere around here. Let me check. Right here, SNF crazy YouTube. He is crazy. For sure he
Not.
is. Yes, you are. Never mind. He's not crazy, guys. As you see in the bottom of my screen, I mean, in the top of my screen, I have $192,000. I was really poor last time when I made
Alright, what's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be extreme tornado hunter.
Yeah. I might change my name. It's kind of, you know, to me, it's not a really good name. I feel.
No, the thermals went back down.
Oh, come on.
We have like a 3,000 thermals, bro. The thermals are so good. Well, it should be high. I would say, but we might get a pink PDF.
We have two Dominator 3s, one Tip 2 and Tip 1, and one of me. I mean, Dominator 1. The Dominator 1 is literally like my height in Roblox.
And you're about to be... I'm so tight.
Wait, there's a Dominator 2 there.
Hey, it's a Dominator 2!
We got Dom Game. Hey, yo, we can ask him if he has Discord. Nah, just joking. Wait, did that thing just move? The camera in front of me. I mean, the one on top of my car. I think it's just me moving my screen. Okay. I got these watermelon slices on my head. I don't know why. It's gonna go off sale in August 25, so you guys should get it before it goes off sale. It's a pretty good item. There's effects on it. It looks pretty cool. Yeah. There's a storm.
Let's go. Look at the dump.
Why won't my car start? My car won't start. Oh my god.
Just check your gas cap.
Okay, there. My gas is full. Gas is full, but it just won't start. That sometimes happens with tofu. Yeah, it happens to everybody. You can literally see the watermelon effects like in front of you. I have a ton of watermelon. It's like I'm throwing watermelon slices at your car.
Oh, there she is.
I'm a Karen.
That's developing quick. The more likely this yellow.
We should follow the tip 1.
More than likely, the yellow part that I just showed you guys will turn orange, or somewhere right here will turn orange.
I hope we get a good tornado. I don't know if we're actually gonna get a good tornado.
Someone said last tornado was a monster.
Like, was it a wedge or what?
I don't know. They just said that. Maybe they got a high risk the other day.
Wait, what? 338 miles an hour? That's not possible. I don't know if that's actually.
No, 338 is possible.
I thought it wasn't. Alright, can I get in your cars? I'm gonna check the okay there. Alright. Now let's go to radar. Let's go to past tornado tracks?
Oh, we just left the Dominator too, and the storm's not really moving, so we're gonna check.
Alright, no, not.
I just put my foot on my dog. I'm sorry, doggy. I didn't see you under my chair. Oh, I'm lagging. Lag.
Let's check day 7. Yeah, I think day 7 is this storm. I don't want my Dominator one. I'm just showing my viewers. Highlight plane. No. Alright. Let's check every day and let's see if there's actually a wedge. I mean, not really a wedge. Could be a wedge. So, no. These are all weak
Oh,
tornadoes.
we're right here by the hook. Check the radar. We're right here by the hook.
Is that a hook like near Kisota too? Or we're on top of the hook?
The storm's in the path of Funkley.
Oh. Is the hook going off map or heading to Funkley? I can't tell.
I'm about to check now.
It's probably just like sitting there. Alright, next update. Okay, yeah, it's definitely heading to Funkley. Funnel. I mean, rotation. Mesocyclone.
Mesocyclone.
Let's see how wide the mesocyclone is. Oh, never mind. No.
The Cape might not choke it this time, because I know the last time I played this game, the last, oh my god, it was like a big.
So it's 400 feet wide. Yeah, the rotation is 100 feet wide. I think, because I saw a 4 on the third digit. Okay, yeah, there's a path. Tornado warning. Bro, imagine we get a pink TVS and and tornado emergency.
It actually could shift to Hazel.
Do you think it's gonna like strengthen a lot or?
It's right on top of us, so I need you to be looking out right now because I can't tell where it's at.
Alright. It is, I think it's literally heading north Funkley. And it's gonna, I think it's going northeast. No, southeast. It's going southeast. It's going down and going east.
There is no dust cloud yet.
No. But I think there will be one. You see those trees right there? They're gonna like tumble on the ground as soon as the tornado has a dust cloud. Maybe. Cause I have seen like.
Radar indicator.
Wait, where'd this dude come from?
He's the one that was in the down too.
Oh.
Radar indicated a green TBF dust cloud or tornado. Oh, there is the dust cloud. Never mind.
It was just on the hill. Yeah. Okay, that's a tiny little funnel. It is TD. It's. Never mind. Oh god.
Nice little cinnamon twist.
That's a Cheeto.
Not even touched the ground yet.
Cheeto sheep. I mean shape. But it's literally like throwing the trees like if they're like little toys. That's just like that's just crazy. It's literally you're literally racing it and knocking down trees at the same time. It's just angry.
I'm not gonna have any time to deploy.
We don't gotta deploy.
Well, if it turns orange, we're gonna have to deploy.
No, red.
Power flashes.
I didn't deploy while it was like an orange CVS. That was like a long time ago. I did not get yeeted, but when red, yes, I did. I mean, I don't know how. Maybe. I was like, I didn't get inside the funnel. I was like by the dust cloud. It's getting wider. It hasn't touched down, but it's getting like wider. Just a little bit. And it's so shiny.
Hold up.
It's an orange. It's an orange. Should we place probes?
Time to deploy. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Oh god. That tornado is huge. I'm making it hasn't touched down, but it's literally so strong. Okay, no, it didn't reach 100 miles an hour. Crap. It's a red.
It's all red.
Hey yo, bro. Dude. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna go.
Oh, we're gonna get blamed. We're gonna get blamed when it gets
I don't
dark.
care.
Okay, that thing is. Why? Don't leave.
Sorry, bro, I gotta
Just
leave.
follow it. Just follow it. Follow it. Follow it. You need money, right? You need money.
Great, it's stuck. Oh my god, this is the
Go
worst chase of my life. I mean, I earned like literally 1,000 cash from it, but like,
Use an off-road car and then go to it. And then get your.
it is literally a floating wedge. I don't know if it's actually a wedge, but it's just getting wider and wider.
And it's not. It hasn't touched down. That's so weird. I have never seen a tornado that hasn't touched down, but I still think stays. Maybe it's just a glitch. Maybe it's just a glitch.
It's not a glitch, it's like that.
Lickety split! Alright, I'm back.
Dude, it's a
Where's
red.
the movie? Where's it? It's what?
It's a red TBS.
Now,
And I
where's
got
it
my
headed?
I'm heading like in its path. I'm trying to like hurry up
Where's it
before it actually dies. It's heading to the highway.
I'm not gonna make it in time.
I don't know, maybe if you were an AFK.
It could turn and hit heavy.
Oh, it's a PDS. Oh
Okay, I'm
god.
gonna rejoin the spawn a bit more.
Alright, me too.
So we can maybe have a chance of getting on the highway. And getting in its path. Go on. What's in?
Alright, come on, hurry up. If Twisted can't load, I'm doomed. I'm gonna miss it. If it's load. Okay, I think it's loading. This may take a while to load. Yes, I know.
This may take a while to load.
Okay, okay, now.
Once you hear the music, once you start hearing the music, you know that tornado is you know you're in the game when you hear the music and stuff. No, it's weakening, and the cape didn't even choke it. It's just weakening. But there's
It's
another
still a
rotation.
PDS warning.
There's another rotation.
There might be twins. There's an older twin that's dying and a new baby twin. I don't know why I said that.
Hey, how much did we make off of that intercept?
I made 1,000.
Did it actually go, like, were we inside of it, or it was just like...
We went like on like literally the corner. Like I mean, we were inside the desk cloud, but like not inside the funnel, just like on the. Okay, there's rotation.
I'm a little bit hungry. I'm gonna have to eat them in a minute. I'm gonna have to cut this recording short, so I'm hungry.
Stop signs.
I'm trying to get ahead of this douche tornado.
That other tornado hasn't even touched down. Oh, okay, okay. The new rotation I think has touched down, but the older twin is literally hasn't even touched down. And it was like pretty low.
Bro, I thought we were gonna get a pink CVS at first.
Because it had a PDS warning.
Yeah, and it was a red. I thought I was gonna strip right to pink CVS.
Okay, Cheeto shaped tornado funnel.
They're saying 2 tornadoes on the ground. I do not see
There
any
aren't any 2 tornadoes on the ground. There's literally one tornado that's literally a foot away from touching down, and the other one has touched down.
I am actually stupidly hungry. I'm gonna make sure I eat before recording. Oh, I see it. Oh, I'm lagging.
I'm gonna end the recording soon.
Right, recording. Right. By the way, the dude with the Dominator 2 sent me a friend request.
Yeah, the guy with the Dominator 2 sent me a friend request too. Oh god. I got an idea.
You have this
I will drive on grass with a pickup truck.
out in it.
This is the best truck ever. It can literally drive on grass.
Let me look me real quick, alright? I'll be back, alright? Be back.
Oh yeah, that, just to tell you, that tornado right there, the new one, it's literally an orange TVS. So do you want to eat and intercept it? Because I don't want you to miss it. Alright, I think it's heading for me. I should spawn the Dominator 1 before it actually get yeeted. I think it's gonna die. Okay, that's just a hail. I thought it was just like an exploder playing some music. I'm literally on the hail core, inside the hail core, and also in the inside the tornado's path. It hasn't become a, you know, a PDS warning, but that's okay. What are the warnings for? Like, I mean, there's red, deep red, and pink, bright pink. I don't know, it might die on water. Yeah, it's weakening. Okay, he left a call. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is painful. Why is the tornado on water? It's not dying yet. At least I'm getting money from it. Yeah. know. I think this is the trashiest chase ever. So I'm gonna end the video here. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. Bye. See you in the next video.